G'day, I'm Tim Thompson. Welcome to the Midweek Review. Let's have some fun. Well, it's probably not what you were thinking. What we're playing around with today is a gate hinge kit for steel end assemblies made by Peter Barrett from Fenceline Solutions that promises easy installation of gates with no drilling, welding or cutting. All you need is a couple of shifters. I think this is going to put steel end assemblies and posts firmly in reach of just about everyone. Let's install the hinges, see how they work, and then let's point out a few extra couple of features that I think make these well worth considering for your next fencing job. And stick around to the end of this video where I announce the winner of the $500 fence stay competition. Now, the Fenceline hinge kit that we're playing around with today is correctly sized for stock post end assemblies. You can get them for a range of nominal bore steel post sizes. And it's a simple packet, 2 pieces of equipment and 1 set of short visual instructions. We're going to start out by installing the Gudgeon Pin, which is down the bottom of the gate here. And to do that, all I have to do is take the bolt out next to the Gudgeon Pin, swing them apart like a set of handcuffs, and put them around the post. Let's do that now. Tightening this Gudgeon pin on the post is super easy. All I have to do is just tighten up both of the cam locks at the same time. Now I'm going to leave those cams almost completely tight until I have the gate fully installed and I'm happy with it. And then I'll just finish them off with a hammer up against the post where they're nice and tight. If I ever want to readjust this hinge kit, should the post move at all I have to do is unlock those cams, move the gate to where I want it, and relock them. This gives you infinite adjustability over your gates over the lifetime of your fence. Not like when you weld them on, where you've got no movement control at all. Now there's quite a steep slope on this ground, so you'll notice that I've got the gate slightly diagonal to the post, and I'm able to do that because I'm using these adjustable hinges. I've undone the top hinge, again like a set of handcuffs, come around the post and replace the top bolt. Installation of your gates is now going to be record speed fast, and it's not going to be a job that you put off and stick your gate on with a piece of wire to avoid. So we've now got the gate in about the position that we want it. So what I'm going to do now is do up the 2 cam locks again with my pair of shifters and then just finish them off with one of the shifters. Installing gates has never been easier. It was super easy to install this gate, and it's operating perfectly first time. There's one more feature to point out, and it's down here. The Gudgeon has a 5% offset to the top hinge. This offset means that if you side mount your gates, they will naturally swing to fully closed or fully open, and they won't want to stay at half mast. This makes moving your stock easier and safer. It's a really well thought out product. It only took 5 minutes to hang the gate. These gate hinges are going to make installation of your gates and adjustment of your gates over the lifetime of the fence super easy and super quick. If you like this kind of video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and there's plenty more content like this, blogs and more on timthompson.ag. Make sure you check it out. Now to the winner of our fence stay competition. The winner of $500 worth of fantastic fence stay gear is Nigel Hughes from Epilock in Victoria. Nigel, Steve, the guy behind Fence Stay is going to be in touch with you shortly. I hope you enjoy your prize, and if you can, send us a photo of your completed project and we'll share it on Facebook and Instagram. Keep your eye out in future midweek reviews for some great competitions and prizes from time to time, and if you like it, don't forget subscribe, like, and check out more on timthompson.ag. You relaxed over there? Like it's not too much trouble to get up for the video, is it? You're okay? Can't get good help.